This is Toby right here. We have this door here, this dual door, and it's a little dirty. It's Toby's old door, and he's gonna demonstrate. He demonstrates for us, Toby, how it works. He uses it a lot, and this is pretty much his bread and butter. So we are gonna place another one in this sunroom here, and it's gonna be located right here at this location, right next to the door. So we're gonna put that double door in here. I'm gonna show you a before and after video. This is the inside, the structure that where we're gonna put the dog door. And go to the back. This is the outside for now. This is the outside right here. The dog door is right there. If you guys can see, the dog door is gonna go there, and it's gonna right beside my door. You can see we're doing more construction on it, trying to get that stucco going nice and neat. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put the dog door here. It's gonna go right here in this entrance. We're gonna go inside, and here's the dog door from the inside now. If you guys can see it, it's a lot better than before. All right, guys, this is Toby, and he's gonna demo today. Be our demonstration coming in and out of that door. Now we completed the door construction on it. It goes hand in hand with my actual door. It's perfectly same color. It's gonna fix. So Toby today is gonna actually demonstrate how to go in and out of the door. Is that right, Toby? So Toby's he's a pretty large dog. Standing up, he's about 5.5 feet. He's really tall. Weight, it's around 60. You know, he's not that heavy compared to the other guy. He's really light, but large dogs, large breeds, got this door just for him. So we're gonna demo it. Close the door. Here's the door. We're still doing a lot of construction here, if you guys can see. Toby! Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Look at that. At ease. He was a little hesitant at first, but he got through. And we're gonna go to the inside. See how he comes in. Come on, Toby! Comes in through here. Come on. Good boy. There he goes.